Hey riders! Welcome to Max About. Today, we're talking about a brand new entry into India's motorcycle scene, Brixton Motorcycles. This Austrian brand, known for its retro modern styling, has officially launched in India in partnership with KAW Veloce Motors. 4 bikes, a new manufacturing facility, and big plans for the Indian market. But here's the question. Can they make an impact in a country that's obsessed with bikes? Let's find out. First, let's start with the launch. Brixton has gone all in, setting up a manufacturing plant in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, with a production capacity of over 40,000 units per year. That's serious commitment for a new player. Now, onto the lineup. Brixton has introduced 4 models. The Crossfire 500X, a sleek cafe racer. The Crossfire 500XC, a scrambler that screams adventure. The Cromwell 1200, a neo-retro roadster for those who love style. And the Cromwell 1200X, a limited edition scrambler with only 100 units up for grabs. Let's talk specs. The Crossfire 500 range comes with a 486cc parallel twin engine, producing 47.6 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 43 nanometers of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. It's paired with a 6-speed transmission and hits a top speed of 160 kmph. These are solid numbers for city rides and open highways. For those who crave power, the Cromwell 1200 series is the showstopper. These bikes feature a 1,222cc liquid-cooled twin-cylinder engine, cranking out a massive 81.8 bhp at 6,550 revolutions per minute and 108 nanometers of torque at just 3,100 revolutions per minute. If that doesn't get your heart racing, I don't know what will. Now, pricing. The Crossfire 500X starts at rupees 4.7 lakh. The Crossfire 500XC is rupees 5.19 lakh. The Cromwell 1200 is rupees 7.8 lakh, and the Cromwell 1200X tops the lineup at rupees 9.1 lakh. For a brand entering the premium motorcycle market, these prices are competitive. But are Indian bikers ready to put their money on a newcomer? When it comes to features, Brixton has checked all the right boxes. You get KYB fully adjustable suspension, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, and a digital instrument cluster. These bikes offer a blend of modern tech and classic design that's hard to ignore. What about their strategy for India? Brixton aims to deliver 10,000 bikes in their first year, with 15 motorhouse dealerships by the end of 2024, and plans to expand to 50 locations by 2025. They're starting with 13 cities, targeting major metro areas. But here's the real question. Can Brixton stand out in India's competitive premium motorcycle segment, dominated by brands like Royal Enfield and Triumph? Their retro modern appeal is unique, but convincing Indian riders to try a new brand won't be easy. So, what's your take? Will Brixton Motorcycles carve out a niche in India, or will they face an uphill battle? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Max About for more updates to dive deeper into the specifics of each bike launched by Brixton and the latest rides in the automobile market. Until next time, ride